Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying iPhone 15 iOS and a fresh backup. This protects settings and eSIM profiles. Next, get your carrier eSIM QR or activation code and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Make sure battery is above 30% so the process won't abort. Once done, disable VPN and remove or note any physical SIM to avoid conflicts, because the phone chooses an active line. Now open Settings, so you can add or restore the eSIM through Settings Cellular. Tap Add Cellular Plan and either scan the carrier QR code or enter the activation code manually. The phone will parse the profile. If you're restoring, pick Restore Cellular Plan from eSIM and follow prompts, because that pulls profiles from iCloud or carrier. While it activates, set which line is primary for voice and which for data. Make sure to watch status messages. Activation can take a few minutes. You finish by verifying the carrier name, signal bars, and that cellular data functions. Make a test call and load a web page. If activation fails, restart the iPhone first, because a reboot often clears temporary issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear old configs, but note this removes Wi-Fi passwords. As a last step, contact your carrier with your MA or SMEID for remote provisioning. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on and off, then retry activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.